Well, today my neighbour and I, Alex, are off for a little run down the Scottish borders. So we've just decided to hop along the M8 and then join the M74 to take us down to probably Moffat, I think, today. So let's see how we get on and where we end up. We did try to pair the comms together. He's got a Sena and I have the Cardo, but for some reason we cannot get them to pair. So I'll maybe have another look at that when we get back down the borders. So until then, let's just crack on. It's actually a nice day for it. I'm hoping my new setup is going to work and it doesn't pick up too much wind noise, because if it does, I'll either need to find another way to do the comms for the two-way communications to record, or just not bother. Now I did try another method, but it was a mishmashy connectors, and when you get a mishmashy connectors it ends up crackling and popping, and also it doesn't leave a lot of room in the helmet, and I'm not having all this shite stuck to the outside of the helmet. So if it doesn't work, well, it doesn't work. Hey ho. Aye, Moffat.
This is a good road.
Yeah. Aye, that panini was alright though, eh?
That was nice, eh? You got to stop and get something to eat though.
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
I'm surprised how clear this is.
Aye, it's really good, eh?
Aye. You'll enjoy this bit of road.
Yeah, nice and twisty. Aye, you look good in that bandit, Alec.
Aye?
Aye. I much prefer these roads to the motorway, like.
Good view as well.
Yeah. Well, hopefully our comms will remember each other, so it'll be easier. So it'll be easier to connect for the next time.
At least we know how to do it now.
Yeah. It's just a shame that Cardo, Sena and what have you, they don't have a mesh system that's compatible with each other.
I know.
It's a bit of a con that though, isn't it?
Just a bit. Cracking views though, eh?
Brilliant, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, eh? You would have liked the views when Willie and I were in Italy.
I bet you.
And dropping down past the Alps, it was lovely. cracking bit of scenery. You appreciate the scenery more on a bike though, eh?
I know, definitely. Beats being out on your own, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely. I mean, it's good to get out on your own, eh? But it's better when you've got two, and when you've got the comms, it's even better.
Aye, absolutely.
I've got the comms fitted to three of my helmets, so all I need to take off is the Cardo unit itself, which is magnetic, and then just click it onto the whatever helmet I'm using.
I fancy a new helmet, but you think, but fucking, you can't keep spending just for one bike, eh?
I know. Well, I've got 4 helmets, Alec.
Yeah. I'll get this one, that's it.
Yeah. I quite like that shoe buff I've got.
You tried it yet?
Aye, I use it. I've been using it for work, this week, the shoe buff.
I used to know this road like the back of my hand. You could actually horse it up here, but
Yeah.
after a period of time you forget, eh?
Aye, you forget where all the bends are. Ah, you bastard, hit that pothole. It's been a funny old day. It's got warm and then cool and then warm.
I think you're just coming down that motorway, it's that exposed, eh?
Aye. And Abington services to the next junction, that's a hell of a stunt.
No.
15 mile or something.
Oh, fucking smell.
Aye, you can't beat the smelly cow shit, eh?
Oh.
It's better than dog shit. So is this the longest run you've done on the Bandit?
Yep.
Good.
I think I did an hour on Friday, and then today.
Yeah.
Got a can of juice or anything?
Aye, we could do.
Maybe go left here, don't we?
Aye.
Aye.
Aye, 'cause I need to fix this balaclava. Might even take it off actually.
It's fucking roasting here, isn't it?
Aye, it's warm. It always tends to be warm down here, eh? In the summer. Aye, the indicators, I'm not a fan of them. Alec, we need to get them sorted. Did they give you the back ones as well?
Aye.
Nah, you can barely see them, like.
Parking outside this shop.
Now you can barely see them, especially for the back, eh?
I'll give it Wednesday. We've been away 4.5 hours.
Doesn't seem like it, eh?
Nah,
Time flies when you're having fun.
it does actually. Do you fucking stress or anything?
Nah. We've had a nice lunch. An ice cream. canny juice and a chocolate bar. We've done quite well.
I don't usually eat chocolate bars, but I thought, fuck it.
Yeah, I'm the same. Very, very rarely eat sweeties now, eh? I'm running out of teeth.
That house has never been touched since lockdown.
Is it no?
Yeah.
They've maybe run out of money.
They have done. It's never fucking, nobody's been near it.
Yeah. Shame, eh? Because that's somebody's dream, isn't it?
Well, I know a few boys that went out of business during lockdown.
Yeah.
There's always bikers here.
Always, aye. That's where I usually stop, eh?
The average age of a biker now must be about fucking 50.
Aye, it's old. It's quite old now.
That's that place there.
BHC.
I've never heard of them.
Nah. So we're doing our usual circuit but in reverse now.
I know. Quite a good wee route that though, isn't it?
Aye. Plus it cuts out the bypass and the A71 and all that crap.
Absolutely. I do like the A71 though.
Aye, I like it. But if you notice they put a new 30 mile an hour speed limit in.
Aye.
What the fuck's that all about? I can mind when that was a national speed limit for Edinburgh to, well, right through, eh?
It's good when you know the road, eh?
Yeah. Definitely.
Getting used to this now.
Yeah. That looks good, like. .8 mile to the gallon. So went up again.
You know I get more than that with my car.
Yeah, you will, aye.
Which is crazy when you think on it, innit?
Yeah. But it's a big diesel, eh?
Aye. Well, 1.6.
That wee Mini I've got, that does about 60 to the gallon. But mind you, that's only back and forward to work. It'd probably get more than that on a long run. I think the book says about 80 to the gallon. But take that with a pinch of salt.
That's been a good day though.
It's been a cracking day, Alec. At least the weather's held out for us. I'm glad I took that thermal liner out. I'd be sweating like fuck.
I was trying to put the sun visor in there and it was fucking done.
Aye, I was doing that in Europe a lot. Well, my sunglasses, because my show never had a sun visor, eh?
Aye, you need the sun visor, eh?
Aye. Looking for my sunglasses and they were already on my head. What way did you go?
Eh?
Lost you.